Here we will see request object in ASP.NET. When a browser asks for a page from a server, it is called a request. The request object is used to get information from a visitor. The request object retrieves the values that the client browser passed to the server during an HTTP request. Different collections for request objects are client certificate, which contains all the field values stored in the client certificate. Cookies contains all the cookie values sent in a HTTP request. Form contains all the form, that is input values from a form that uses the post method. Query string contains all the variable values in a HTTP query string. And server variables contains all the server variable values. Different properties for request objects are request.clientCertificate.collection. These are the values of fields stored in the client certificate that is sent in the HTTP request. Request.cookies.collection. The values of cookies sent in the HTTP request. Request.form.collection. These are the values of form elements in the HTTP request body. Request.queryString.collection. These are the values of variables in the HTTP query string. Request.serverVariables.collection. The values of predetermined environment variables. Request.totalBytes are the read-only specifies the total number of bytes the client is sending in the body of the request. And methods of request objects are request.binaryRead, which retrieves data sent to the server from the client as a part of POST request.